There's nothing quite as disheartening as discovering a vibrant lipstick stain on your favorite shirt or blouse. Whether it's a result of an enthusiastic greeting or an accidental brush against your clothes, the stubbornness of lipstick stains can be a real headache. But fear not, for this blog post aims to unravel the secrets of effective lipstick stain removal, leaving your garments as good as new. Understanding lipstick stains. Before we dive into the removal techniques, let's take a moment to understand why lipstick stains can be so tricky. Lipsticks often contain a combination of waxes, oils, and pigments, making them resistant to simple water-based cleaning methods. The key to successful removal lies in breaking down these components without causing damage to the fabric. Step-by-step lipstick stain removal. 1. Act quickly. The sooner you address a lipstick stain, the better your chances of complete removal. As soon as you notice the stain, try to blot away as much of the excess lipstick as possible using a clean tissue or cloth. Avoid rubbing, as it may push the pigment further into the fabric. 2. Scrape off excess. If the lipstick has smeared or clumped, gently scrape off the excess using a dull knife or the edge of a credit card. Be careful not to damage the fabric in the process. 3. Check fabric care label. Before proceeding with any stain removal method, check the care label on your garment. Different fabrics may require different approaches, and it's essential to ensure that the method you choose is suitable for your specific clothing. 4. Pre-treat the stain. Apply a small amount of dishwashing detergent, liquid laundry detergent, or a pre-treatment stain remover directly onto the stain. Gently rub the fabric together or use a soft bristled brush to work the detergent into the stain. 5. Launder as usual. After pre-treating the stain, launder the garment as you normally would, following the care instructions on the label. Use the appropriate water temperature and laundry detergent for the fabric. 6. Check the stain. Before drying the garment, check to see if the stain is completely gone. If any traces remain, repeat the pre-treatment and laundering process until the stain is no longer visible. Additional tips and advice. 1. Hairspray hack. In a pinch, hairspray can be used to break down lipstick stains. Spray a small amount directly onto the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then blot away with a clean cloth. 2. Rubbing alcohol. Dabbing a bit of rubbing alcohol on the stain with a cotton ball can help dissolve the lipstick. Be sure to test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with the fabric. 3. Avoid heat. Refrain from using hot water or applying heat to the stain, as it can set the lipstick pigment into the fabric, making removal more challenging. 4. Professional dry cleaning. If you're dealing with a delicate or high-end fabric, or if the stain persists, it may be best to take the garment to a professional dry cleaner. They have the expertise to handle various fabrics and stains effectively. Final thoughts. Lipstick stains may be a common laundry woe, but armed with the right knowledge and a bit of patience, you can bid farewell to these stubborn marks. Remember to act promptly, choose the appropriate stain removal method for your fabric, and follow through with care. Your favorite garments will thank you for the extra attention, and you'll be back to flaunting your impeccable style in no time. Happy stain busting! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.